Nigerian Genius.
And the design of, I can say like maybe 40% done currently. Good day everyone, this is Team Uniport and this is day 4 of the Nigerian Genius Competition, and here is how they went. So from the start of the day, we started off with completing where we left off yesterday of our project we did in the workshop, which is our stool. So today we was all about the welding section of the stool. So we got the rods that we cut the other day and we welded them together, did some filing work, did some boring with the drilling machine in the workshop, and that took a lot of time because we have to make sure we learn the process, get used with the power tools we use, so it took a lot of time with the process. After that, we went up to the presentation. So the presentation was to present to our judges how our progress, our project progress has been from the beginning, and explain how we have all been able to achieve the project using teamwork, the roles each of us played in achieving the project. For how far our project updates, so today we spent off today getting a structural design for how our project is going to look like. We know what we're going to build. We needed to get the suitable design, of how we're going to go from there, and to get the draft out of all the materials we're needing, which we have drafted out. By the end of today, we're going to be submitting our list of materials we'll be needing. So we're hoping by tomorrow to be ready so that we can kick off from building. So we got the structure, the setup, and thanks to the mentoring section, we also made some corrections to the structure, know how we're going to shape it to them. So far, we have gotten our design ready, our circuitry almost ready, but by tomorrow, we plan on hitting straight to putting the materials together, soldering the circuit, building the circuit, soldering it, getting the welded section, the material, because we have a welding part, so we'll do the welding in the workshop. Then it's about putting the project together now from tomorrow. So we used today to just make sure we have everything in scope and everything in play. After the presentation, we moved straight to the mentorship section where we had mentors from dignitaries came to give us advice, hear our ideas, get our progress, and they helped us with a lot of advice, intels, and how to go on from where we stop, and challenges we had. They helped profile better solutions, and a lot of things that we couldn't think of, we didn't think through. So then for the results of the presentation, we came out fourth. Then for the voting online, we came out 3rd position for the voting. We are still looking forward to doing best in the subsequent events and making sure we win this challenge. To my fans out there, we want to implore you to don't give up. Still believe in us. We still got this going. We know we'll have a lot of ups and downs, but we are still hopeful. We know we're going to do this. We are going to do this because we have a right plan, a right approach to it, and we are sure we're going to come back with this. Lastly, we want to give a big shout out and big thanks to the 2 major organizers of this program, to the ACT and CIC. We want to thank you for this opportunity to putting up this competition where we have to work our minds and meet like-minded engineers and creating solutions that will affect real life scenarios in Nigeria.
The Nigerian Genius.